Sunlight, sunshine, daylight, light, heat. Rays are so many names of the sun. Why not be there, the thing with which the whole world is running today? Even having 100 names of that thing is less. Sun has been given importance in every religion, especially in Hinduism. Surya has 108 names in Hindu mythology: Arun, Sharanya, Narasimhadeva, Asmanbal, Arakshak, Aditya, Adabhuta. Just tell the rest in the next video. So this question did not come in your mind, did it? Why am I praising sun so much today? That's why, today I read about a person who was a great devotee of sun god. That's why he built such an incredible temple in 13 decades, which even today's people have not been able to understand properly. The name of that great person was King Narasimhadeva I of the Ganga dynasty. Today we will talk about the wonder made by him, whose name is Konark Sun Temple. These temples go deep into the UNESCO World Heritage Site, located on the eastern coasts of India. First of all, we will talk about the magnetic stone of Konark Temple. It is believed that according to several legends, there is a magnetic stone on the top of this temple, and due to its effect, ships passing through the Sea of Konark are drawn towards it, causing heavy losses. But according to another story, due to this stone, the magnetic compasses of the ships could not tell the right direction, so the Muslim sailors took out this magnetic stone to save their ships. This stone served as the central rock that all the stones of the temple walls were in balance. But due to the removal of this stone, all the walls of the temple lost their balance, and they fell. Now just imagine how powerful that magnet would be. If it existed in today's world, it would pull cars and trucks towards it. Architecture of Konark Temple. Although this temple is built on the mouth of Chandrabhaga River, but its waterline is decreasing day by day. Actually, this temple is a holy place. Due to the height of this temple being 229 feet and the fall of the plane on this temple in 1837, this temple has suffered a lot. Some interesting things about Konark Temple. But before knowing these things, subscribe the channel. 1. Konark Sun Temple being dedicated to the sun god. The sun god is worshipped in this temple. This temple is like a huge chariot, and this temple is known for its artistry and the use of precious metals in it. 2. It is believed that the Konark Temple was first built on the seashore, but the sea gradually receded, and the temple also moved slightly away from the seashore. 3. This temple is not only famous for being the chariot of the sun god, but it is also famous for its erotic sculptures. Such figures are clearly and minutely described on the second level of the main entrance hall of this temple. 4. The Konark Sun Temple is of the Kalinga style of Indian temples, one of the most famous temples in India. It has been declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1984. The Konark Sun Temple in the state of Odisha is the only temple to receive this honor, which is included in the UNESCO World Heritage Site. Conclusion. As we bring our exploration to a close, remember that the Konark Sun Temple is much more than just an architectural masterpiece. It is a storehouse of untold secrets, and a testimony to the ancient wisdom of the past. Its mysteries captivate the hearts and minds of all who dare to venture into its sacred precincts. So, fellow adventurers, go forth and uncover the enigmatic tapestry that is the Konark Sun Temple, for the journey holds endless charm and wonder. What is your opinion about this temple? Please tell me by commenting, and subscribe the channel for more such videos.